How to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue after the iOS 17 update. So let's get started. So go into your iPhone settings. Now from here you have to go in the general. From here you have to go in the software update, and here you have to go in the automatic updates and make sure that the iOS updates is on. After that you have to go in the beta update and you have to select the iOS 18 developer beta. So once you select it, you have to again go back. Now from here you have to go in the general, and again you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on the VPN and device management. Now here you have to make sure that any type of VPN is not connected, and once you check it out you have to again go back and you have to select your Wi-Fi, and here you have to go in this edit option and you have to reset your Wi-Fi, like you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password, and you are able to fix your iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue after the iOS 17 update. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.